She's layered, she's highlighted, and it's a perfect length. We're going to get into the deets of this unit in a second. But first, here's a Bible verse. Okay, dolls, so let's just get to it. This is an RPG show unit, so one thing RPG show gonna do, and that's slay a unit, and you know that for sure. So let's get into it. As you guys can see, this unit is beautifully highlighted. It has blonde and brown highlights throughout the unit. Let me go ahead and throw this bad boy on so we could take a closer look to it. Okay, now this is a premium unit from RPG Show, so you already know that this unit is going to come bleached and is going to come pre-plucked. So let me go ahead and show you the hairline. The hairline is not overly plucked. It is more of a natural pluck, but it's good enough to where I feel like I don't need to go over it and pluck some more. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the side of the lace off by the ear tabs just to make it easier for me to do this install. As always, I'm gonna clean my face using some Sea Breeze. It's way more gentle on your skin than the basic alcohol. I am doing a basic non-glue install, so I am using my 2 hairspray duos by Even New York. These 2 have not failed me, y'all. If y'all haven't already picked this up, I don't know what y'all waiting for. And if you have tried it, comment down below. Let me know how this combination is working for you. Of course, everything is going to be linked in the description box, so y'all need to go ahead and grab that because, y'all, when I tell you this combo is it, I will not steer you wrong. So after I put the spray on, I'm going to go ahead and tie this down for about 5 minutes. I love that RPG Show included an elastic band, and it's a good quality one. So you got to love when it comes with everything you need. Now, once I let that sit for about 5 minutes, now I'm going to go in with my razor and just cut the remainder of this lace off. Next, I'm going in again with that active spray to get those little flyaways that don't want to stay down for the first go round. It's perfect. It doesn't leave any white cast on your hair, and it acts as an extra melt for that lace with your skin. And I'm just going to add some of my glossing spray to the roots of the hair. I'm not putting it throughout the rest of the hair because I don't want this hair to be oily. And that glossing spray straighten out those roots to make it more of a flat install. Okay, so now when you take the elastic band off, you guys are going to see that it's really having a melted effect. My package actually came with a wax stick, which I haven't received in a minute, so I was happy to see that as well. So I used the wax stick to, flatten up the top of the unit, and I decided I was going to keep the middle part because I was going to try to mimic the style in which the mannequin had on the website. Now, you guys already know I'm not a middle part girly, but I'm going to try to roll with the punches. Right now, we're going to see how that turns out. Now, I do have this new blow dryer brush that I've been dying to use, and I decided to use it for this install because the way this brush works is it blow dries your hair, but it also curls your hair. If you ever been to a Dominican hair salon and had a doobie, or what we call in New York a Dominican blowout, this brush is going to give you that effect. I've never been able to really perfect that method of blow drying your hair using that round spin brush. So I was so happy to see that this brush actually works, and it does give you that effect where your hair has a lot of bounce. So I did that with the blow dryer. However, for the top of the hair, I wanted more of a defined curl. So I went in with the curling iron just to add the 2 curls on both sides. Because while I wanted the curls to be loose, I wanted it to actually stay. And I know if I would have left it the way that I had it with the blow dryer, it would have fell. So now I'm just cleaning up this parting space. You guys could see my wig cap through it because, you know, I don't be rocking the bowl cap no more. Like, really, it has to be a very special occasion for me to take the time and do a bowl cap. This stocking cap works and suits me just fine. I have no problems with it. The same way I don't feel the need to use glue to make my lace melt. This is still going to give you a nice clean melt, as you guys can see. And this is how the middle part was looking. It was okay. It was okay. It wasn't giving really what I wanted it to give. So I was just kind of playing with the unit a little bit to see if I could get it to flow better across my face. And this is what I end up with, guys. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this. So the hair is lovely. I really love the highlights, but this middle part, I don't know, it just wasn't giving me what I needed it to give. You know what I'm saying? You know how you guys have like a envision how the unit's gonna look on you, and it wasn't doing it for me. So right before I took the unit off, I decided, hey, let me go ahead and play with this unit and see if I, you know, style it a different way, if I would like it a little better. So I pulled some of the hair to the back and just clipped it with one of my clips, and I thought this was a little cute. It wasn't nothing major. And then, of course, before I took the unit off, I decided, let me just kind of do the flip over method and see how it looks if I have it in a side part. And I'm just using my hands because, like I said, at first I was trying the flip over method. And then when I saw how it was looking with the side part, I was like, okay, well, let me create a side part. This is kind of looking a little cute right here. Let me see what it's giving. And just using that flip over method, guys, I don't know if it's just me, but the side part ate and left no crumbs. I feel like this side part looks so much better on me than that middle part does. And you guys could tell I'm feeling it a lot better because you see me smiling. I always tell y'all, if y'all see me like smiling, y'all know when I'm really feeling the unit. So I went ahead and defined my side part, and this is what it looks like. So girls, sometimes it may not be the unit that you don't like. It may just be how you have it parted. So make sure you always try different ways of parting your unit and see how it fits you best. Now I'm loving this unit. You can see I'm showing out. I'm playing in the hair. I'm feeling it. It's framing my face a lot better. These highlights were beautifully done. Yeah, this unit is definitely giving. Now, another way I could have worn this unit, because it does have some layers in it, is I could have worn it straight with the middle part to frame my face, and maybe I might have liked that a little bit better. So guys, I really want to know your feedback. Do you prefer it in the middle part, or do you like the side part better? And what about this unit? Are y'all digging these highlights like I am? This is a beautiful unit. Summer's still here, so I always love to do a little color, and plus with the brown and gold highlights, it's a perfect transition into fall. You guys already know everything's going to be linked in the description box down below. Now, this is an RPG show unit, so you might get a sticker shock, but hey, you know, you got to pay to play. This is not for everyone. I'm going to tell you that. Before we get out of here, y'all know I'm going to need y'all help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. And while you're at it, why don't you check out this video? You might enjoy it as well. It's always important. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.